I bet you didn't know US lawmakers are about to make crypto history, right as Bitcoin hits an all-time high. Here's what's going down, and why it matters for everyone, yes, even you. So, why is Bitcoin suddenly on fire? It all comes down to Crypto Week, a huge moment for crypto fans and nervous newcomers alike. Starting July 14th, the US House of Representatives is taking up 3 major bills that could finally give cryptocurrencies clear rules in America. First, there's the Genius Act, which sets out when digital coins count as securities or commodities. That's a big deal because it means startups won't have to guess which laws apply to them. Next, the Clarity Act steps in, making sure Congress, not federal agencies or the courts, decides how crypto is regulated. And last but not least, there's the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act. This bill would block the government from launching its own digital dollar, so your personal transactions stay private. All this action, and the promise of friendlier rules, sent Bitcoin soaring to over $122,000, with other coins like Ether rallying too. To put it in perspective, Bitcoin started at just 0.4 of a cent in 2009. Now, the entire crypto market is worth $3.8 trillion. Whether you're a skeptic or just getting started, Crypto Week could shape how you use and trust crypto for years to come. So stay tuned. The future of money might just be getting rewritten in Washington this week.